Hi guys, Retro Jingo here. Earlier today I made a review of this IBM computer and you guys have been writing a lot of great stuff, but most of you guys are telling me how can you make a review of this computer without showing or telling how many megahertz it runs. Some of you guys wrote that SLC2 models ran at 33 megahertz. This one should run maybe 50 or maybe 66. I'm not sure, guys. But this one should be, this is the SLC3 model. So this one should be, really expensive back in the days. And one of you guys actually wrote that this one should be able to run Windows 95 also. So what we are going to do is we are going to just make a quick update video here. And check the CPU. There we go. CPU classic 486. Internal CPU speed 78.8 megahertz. So this machine is a 486 that runs at 75 megahertz. Isn't that nice? Let's try. Well, I don't know these programs. I just went into Phil's Computer Labs page. I just love everything he does. Let's see, was it here? No, was it here? Yes, it was. All right, so let's see here. SysSpeed, or what it was called, version 4.78. Let me see. Can you see it on the camera? Yes, you can. So this program, it's first time for me. What does it say? Processor. It's a 486. This one also says 78 megahertz. So it's a this IBM is a 486, 75 megahertz. Sorry, I didn't show it on my review video earlier today, but yeah, now we can take it out, guys. I will just make this quick update. So it says that memory size 12 megabyte, memory bandwidth 40 megabyte per second. Nice. VESA memory, that must be the memory for the onboard graphic card. Unknown, it didn't detect it, so yeah, it is what it is. Hard drive, well, new info again. 234 megabyte of hard disk. It has got a year 2000 bug because the date is from 1990. Operating system version DOS 6.22, and here we have got a 386 at 40 megahertz, Intel Pentium 486 DX2 50 megahertz, and we're just a bit faster than that. So it should show a bit faster. So it's reading something. It's doing some memory test. It has passed. So let's say, what does it say? Cancel space skip test. We're just skipping. Oh, look at this, guys. Intel Pentium 2 300 megahertz here, and Celeron 333 here. Back in the days, late 90s, the Pentium 2 was great. I mean, it just destroyed the Celeron systems, but the Celeron was a lot cheaper and you could overclock it. And hard disk, enter. Oh, did you hear that? We just have to try it again. Okay, ready. It sounds amazing. 3, 2, 1. All right, So it's a hard disk reading, writing average max speed test. As you can see, average 16 and max seek time 25 milliseconds. So random seek time and all that. Great program, man. I'm gonna use this in future videos. Yeah, guys. So this was just a yeah, quick update. Some of you guys like the music from the built-in speaker. My cheaper home-built 486 computers, they have got this little tiny speaker with no bass. The speaker built in this machine, you can actually use it, you can enjoy it. It sounds... Guys, I like it. Fasten your seatbelt. Okay. Alright, man, it works fine. So 75 megahertz, I mean, I could feel on the first video that it loaded this game. No. It loaded this game really fast, so. But I couldn't guess that it was a 75 megahertz, man. It's great. As I said earlier, if you're a subscriber, my first PC was a 486. What do I do here, man? Oh, whoa! Yeah, all right. Oh, this reminds me of what's the game called, man? Pink Slips. What was it called? Street Rod. Was it? I think it was Street Rod. Nice. But wait, you can actually change. What's the menu? Return receipt. Well, you could press somewhere and you could actually see different angles. I don't know how, man. F1. Yeah, F2. Look at this, F3. Yeah, man. 30 years ago, this was just an amazing game. Yeah. What happened over here? Yeah, we blew up. Thank you for watching, guys. Just a quick update video. Have a great day out there. Bye.